Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain about some string manipulation functions in GoLang. So we have a different inbuilt functions to manipulate our string values. So to manipulate the string values, we have inbuilt functions. These functions available in strings package. So in GoLang, strings is a package and string is a data type. So in strings, we have built-in functions to manipulate the string values, and the string is a data type which is used to store string values. So that's the difference. And these are the some commonly used functions for manipulating the string. So let us see some of the commonly used. So to upper. So this is one of the function, and this function will convert all the characters into upper character, and the trim will trim the specific characters from the given input, and trim space is used to trim the spaces, and the split function will split the string value by some any one of the separator character, and this will give array of string values. And we have a join function. It is used to concatenate the all array values. So let us see some functions practically. Yeah. So this is the input. We have mixed characters here. Small characters and capital letters is also available in this input. So just want to convert all these characters into upper character. So this is the function to upper. So if you use that, all the characters will be converted into capital letter C. So this is the input and this is the output. In same way, we have a split function. So suppose, so let's see, this is the single value, single string value, and these are the names separated by comma. So I just want to split this string value, and I just want to create a list of strings. I just want to create a names list. So I will use a split string because we have to split a string by comma. So let's use a split function and separator. So by comma I want to separate. So if you try to run this, you will get the array of names. See, Raja, Ram, Ramesh, Linga, Venkat, all these are the array values. And this is the input actually, this is the output. In same way, so this is the, let's, we'll see another function. I will declare a string array. Yeah. So this is the string array. We have a list of names in this array. So I want to concatenate all these string values into single value. So what we have to use? We have to use the join function. So strings dot join function. This will accept array of values as the input, and we need a separator to concatenate all this. Suppose if you want to concatenate and separated by some character, we can use that. So here I'm using comma. So let's run this. See. So array of string is converted into string value and separated by comma. Not only comma, we can use a underscore, any character. Not only characters, we can use the words also. See, and we can use the words also, guys. Let's name. I'll use a space also, and in between also space. So I want to separate by this word. So all these names. Let's try to run this again. So you can see Raja name and a name colon Ranga. So like this. So we can concatenate our string values by using the join function. And we have some built-in functions. So not only this guys, we have package, and if you see this package, yeah, so that's, yeah, this package. Open this. So this is the strings package. In this strings package, we have a lot of examples. See, there is a different functions: clone, compare, contains, and contains any rune, suffix, cut to prefix. So all of these are the functions only to manipulate our string values. So based on your requirement, you can use that respective function. So if you want example code, you can click anything. So you can see the example code here. So suppose there is a repeat function, right? So you can see the repeat function here. See, strings dot repeat na two times. So this na will be repeat up to two times. So if you run this, you can see the result also here. Yeah. See, na. So ba. So like that, we can utilize all these functions based on our requirement, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want more videos, please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye.